Alright guys, John McDavid here with a new tool. This is from KiWAV. We found them on Amazon. This is for a Harley-Davidson secondary belt adjustment. This is the belt tension gauge. Seems pretty sturdy. Open her up. So essentially you've got your pressure gauge here, because when you set it, it's at 10. So you're gonna press up on the belt here, and then this will tell you your deflection. So it's seems really nice, sturdy. Seems actually heftier than the other tools that I've seen for the belt tension guide. It's got everything you need. It's a really simple tool. So yeah, it's from KiWAV, from Amazon. Seems great. It's gonna be nice. Gets you your increments, tells you when you hit your pressure. There's O-rings for both, so you make sure that you actually get the right stop. So stay tuned, we'll show you how to use this thing. It's looking good. It's by KiWAV. See you guys next time.